So today we're partnering with LifePlants and we're doing a smart home technology event that is, I'm thrilled to have it here in our showroom. The technology is just mind-blowing.
We're very excited to be partnered up with LifePlants. They're a great organization. All of our drivers are built in-house and come off the same assembly line as our studio product. So if you want what the studios use, choose Dynaudio.
This evening we're actually debuting for the very first time actually to the public here on the West Coast. The brand new Master Series OLED TV set from Sony Electronics, so really represents the next level in video technology with great black levels and some really cutting edge audio technology.
So I work with Leon Speakers. We're a custom speaker manufacturer. We also create custom media concealment solutions. We bring a creative approach to the AV industry by creating products that are interior designer and architect friendly. Are you close enough to my face with the camera?
We need to get a little closer. We're known for manufacturing here in Seattle high performance electronics with lots of power, lots of sound quality, compact space with a really, really nice sex appeal look to it.
Today we are displaying our Solo screen, which is our battery-operated motorized screen. It uses a rechargeable lithium battery, so there is no wires that need to be run to it for power to operate the screen coming up and down.